Hey everybody, I'm Bill with Tiny House Prepper, and we are here at my son's house for Christmas this year, and we're really enjoying it. We don't always get to see them at Christmas, so when we're here for a couple weeks, so it's a real blessed time. Last year, Barry and Molly got their daughter a present that she really liked, but it was made out of cheap plastic, and apparently it only lasted for a couple days and it broke. So this year, Barry decided that he was going to make her one, be much higher quality. He would make it make it in his shop. So watch as he makes this. See if you can do this at home.
Tiny House Prepper.
Now Barry ran out of time, unfortunately. He wasn't able to actually finish it before Christmas, but it is in working order. It just has some rough edges. So he gave it to her for Christmas, and then he's going to go back and finish up a few of the rough edges, as you will see here.
It's a sheet. Oh my goodness, I know what this is. How incredible. It's a paint
spinner thingy.
Yep.
Oh, that's so cool.
I thought it was like a clay
I still have to
turnstile or
finish the
something.
base and I make a trough to catch all the spinning paint. But grab it by the bottom, by the metal part.
Wet.
It's goes in my car.
It's just got cool, got condensation in it.
But I'm gonna make a trough that goes here and catches all the paint as it splatters. But and then finish the bottom of it. If I hadn't smashed my hand, I probably could have got it done.
Yeah, and you crunching your hand was probably not good
This is
timing.
what you were making.
Yeah, it goes a good long time.
Oh, that is gonna make some awesome stuff.
So as Barry just mentioned, while he was working on this, he smashed his hand, and it swelled up pretty well, and he couldn't use it for the rest of the day. His hand is fine; it's going to be fine. But because of that, he wasn't able to finish this. I'll show you how it works in a minute. But he still needs to finish up the base down here and make it nice and smooth, and then up here around the edges, he's going to put a trough or a barrier. Right now, she can just use pencil or pen, but after he's finished with the barrier there, she'll be able to use paint on it as well. So that should be pretty cool.
There's some poster board out in the thing, so you could.
So until I can get the time to get it done, you can still draw and stuff.
Oops, I think yeah.
You missed.
Only a little bit. I just now realized I just put them on the same side. The tape.
Cool.
Thank you.
I've seen people do stuff like that with paints on videos. What a cool thing to have one of your own.
Very cool.
Thank you. Are you gonna bring it? So you do like
Barry does many projects like this on his YouTube channel, Empty Hammock. If you'd like to check it out, click here.